body blades can be extremely deceptive. They're much harder than they look. They're actually creating instability in your torso. You have to really connect because it's trying to push you over. And then it's also working the intrinsic muscles of your body. And I'm telling you, I really felt all around my hara working. So this is really a great tool to add some diversity to like what I did, just lunges with a knee lift. So pick up a body blade. This is called the Classic. It's kind of a medium weight one. And it really packs a punch. You'll be surprised.